Hello everyone, welcome to Farming 4.0. If you're passionate about agricultural innovations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Today we're exploring modern technology in cotton harvesting. Let's get started. Modern cotton harvesters are equipped with GPS and auto guidance systems. These allow the machines to navigate the fields with precision, optimizing harvesting paths and saving time and fuel. Improving soil fertility. Fertilization helps to supplement the soil with essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are necessary for the healthy growth of cotton plants, correcting nutrient deficiencies. Soil testing before planting can identify specific nutrient deficiencies. Proper fertilization can remedy these deficiencies, ensuring that plants have access to all necessary nutrients. Modern cotton harvesters are equipped with GPS and auto guidance systems. These allow the machines to navigate the fields with precision, optimizing harvesting paths and saving time and fuel. Comfort and breathability. Cotton is preferred for clothing due to its comfort and ability to allow the skin to breathe. Without cotton, we would lack comfortable and skin-friendly garments. Durability and versatility. Cotton offers superior durability compared to many other materials. It is robust enough to withstand daily wear and tear while still maintaining a pleasant feel. In conclusion, cotton is not just a textile material. It is a fundamental element that contributes to our daily comfort, the global economy, and the health of our planet. Without cotton, we would not have high-quality clothing, and the world would be a much more uncomfortable and unsustainable place. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.